Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back, and we have another special unboxing video. If this is on Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below, and if it's a website, their link will be also in the description. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside, and you guys will get one. All I gotta do is click the link down below. And thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review, whatever this is. But now I think we are fully back. Happy China New Year. That is about to end in a couple days, or it just ended for the weekend, and now things are rolling again. What is this? Alright. Another box. And we got something here. Another box. Alrighty, guys. This is coming from... Oh boy, I don't want to butcher the name. And get a good bubble wrap out of here. One more cut. Yep. This is, I do believe, on Amazon. And it's coming from these guys. Neideso NC300PRO 4-channel STARVIS 2 Wi-Fi 6 4K Dashcam. Very nice. AI Dashcam. Whoa. We are in the AI era. Gotta love it. You know, as long as you use it for the right way, it is a good thing. If you use it for the wrong way, it could get evil. But hopefully you guys are using it the right way. I just wish I had this when I was in school, with all this good AI stuff around. Come on. Oh boy. Ah, that's why. Cut right here. And another cut down below. Here we go. Ooh. I had a few days off. Actually caught up on some sleep. Felt pretty good. But now, like I said, we're all back. And hopefully more videos will be coming down the road. We got a bunch of manuals. Some kind of stuff we got here. Okay, this must be the camera. We got the goodies in this box. So, this is definitely brand new. You guys could get them now. Especially for all you DoorDash drivers, your Grubhubbers, Instacarts, UPS, Amazon, anyone that delivers. This would be a nice gift for them, and even yourself. Protect you and your family on those long road nights. So you get everything here included. Got the adapter. We got a backup camera, probably for the back end. Just remove this when you're ready to install it. Got got the sticky. Got one of these poppers. And we got tons of wipes and other stickiness. And now here comes the unit. Ooh, this is tiny. Ooh. Bada boom. Whoa. And then that's a screen. Alright, definitely excited. I think we gotta have it this way. Nope, I had it right the first time. Well, it don't matter, I don't think, because it shows both ways. So we got that. It can be taken out the end. Open this little guy up. I just had my remote starter removed. It was draining my car battery, so definitely need something. Got some kind of golden ring. It just says turn, hold, release. Got some screwdrivers, anti-wipe cloth. I get a couple of these bad boys. Yeah. And then the wipes. Another sticky. Top part cover. So that's it for that. I mean, that was pretty cool. Next, we'll hop into the car. So this is what you get in the box. Get a dash cam, the rear camera, adhesive mount, car wiring tool, memory card. I do not see, it's probably inside. Yep, pre-inserted. Oh, it's a CPL filter. That's what that thing is. Car charger, hard wiring. With radar. Ooh. Alright. So it shows that, all that good stuff. I'm definitely excited. Alright, now car time. We'll be back. Alright, YouTubers. I'm gonna run the wires later on when it gets warmer out. But right now, we got this set up right here. Make sure you download the app, TS Cam, right there. And now we're going to test it out. And now it is powering on. Whoa. There's rear view, English. Set date, time, 25th. Monday. No, today is. What is today? Wednesday the 25th. Hold up. Holy moly. Look at this. 3 different views. These are the buttons to press. Right there. And we got the touchscreen, dash cam, playback, voice control. Holy moly. This thing is amazing, guys. And it'll let you know how fast you're going. Whoa. This is cool. So then even down here, it'll show the miles per hour. You gotta press long OK button for Wi-Fi mode. This thing is awesome, guys. You can have your DMS on or off, eyes dowsing, smoking, distraction, driver absence, phone call, yawning. Jesus. Then sensor, G sensor, parking, reset, clock, format, IR, LED. Now I'm on Wi-Fi mode. Sorry about the delay. There you go. And you can see right there, everything's good to go. But the clarity of the picture on this is awesome, guys. Look at that. I mean, look how clear. This thing is amazing. It is voice activated also. Turn on screen. Turn on screen. It's already on. But yeah, it's all touch screen. IR LED on. See, that helps. Privacy cycle. You guys can't see that. But that's what it says. Great night vision. There it is. But yeah, definitely grab yourself one, family member one. These things are amazing. AI technology. Check them out. Be safe. Almost forgot the app. Add a device while using. Allow all. It's going to take a second, hopefully. Connect. Alright, so you want to connect to this one. The password is going to be right on the screen. It's going to connect it to any second. That'll be alright. Always connect. Should be good. Come on. Down here is going to say connected to the DVR. Now we're going to have some fun. Took me a minute to figure this thing out, but definitely excited. Please wait. There we go. Now we got control over it. It'll show your current altitude, everything. Record files, your videos. It shows it's recording right now. And it has a map. Probably the places where he traveled. But I think you have it. Boom. There's a rear view camera. But yeah, simple, easy to install, guys. I'm telling you, this is simply mind-blowing right now how amazing this is. So check them out. It's right there. Have a good night.